How to change your display name on Snapchat. Hey guys, in today's video we will be talking about how you can change your Snapchat username. So yeah guys, let's get started. So right now you can see I'm on my Snapchat right now. What I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna go into my profile. Here I'm in my profile. You can see I'm in my profile. You can see this is my username. What I'm gonna do is next is I'm just gonna go into the settings menu here in the top. Here from here I'm gonna select username. Now here they are saying this is how your friend find and add you on Snapchat. You can only change your username once a year. So guys listen, if you want to change your username, you can change your username. It is in the new update from the Snapchat, but you have to be very careful about it. You can change your username, but you can only do that once a year. So if you want to change it, you can do it, but you have a difference of 1 year. So if you change it today, you can change it back in like this date a year after. So you have to be very careful about it guys. You can change your username by just simply click on change username, and even if you choose username, no one else will be able to claim your old username. So they're saying that claim this username for a time of a year. So yeah guys, that is how you change your username. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did help you, you know what to do. You have to just like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos, and you get updated on all the tips and tricks of Snapchat, Instagram, and etc. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and yeah, I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.